Guys, good morning. So it's 6 a.m. right now, and I just woke up and got freshened up. So I'm gonna vlog today. I'm gonna vlog what I eat in a day to lose weight, to stay healthy, and I'm gonna also share some tips and tricks for you with you guys to lose weight in a healthy way and not with any fat diets or something. So right now I'm having my detox water. I think you all now know about my detox water. This is my detox water. So it's made up of carom seeds, and you have to take like 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, put it to 1 glass or 1 cup of water, give it a boil, simmer it, and then just strain it and drink it. You can also have that to those carom seeds. Carom seeds are a juan, which can be found in any household. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna catch you guys sometime when I have some other meal, and I'm gonna share the tips and tricks soon. So stay tuned with my vlog. Bye. Hello guys, so I had a great workout today. I did yoga. I also did some cardio, some stretching exercises too, and now I'm having a breakfast. This is what I'm having. So I'm having some oats with banana. I'm having normal oats with banana without sugar, and this is what I'm having right now. And this includes protein, carbs, and fat. So I'm having it all in, also fiber. So yeah, that's what I'm having right now. So the tip number 1 for weight loss is never start your day with tea or coffee. Always start your day with some nuts or a fruit or some drink like water, or coconut water, lemon water, or some detox drink, but no tea or coffee. And should be your first meal of the day. So what I do is I have like a piece of fruit, like an apple or an orange or a mousme or something like that, or I have like 5 almonds or something. That's what I have, and I drink water. I make sure to drink a cup of warm lukewarm water with some lemon, or a glass of coconut water. This is because body is, in a mode, because it was in a sleeping mode from past 8 hours or something, and now it needs some nutrients and not something toxic or something. So that's why you should fill your body with some nutrients like fruit or nuts, like that, some healthy stuff. So first tip, never start your day with a tea or coffee. You can have nuts or fruit, and then you can have your tea or coffee, but do not have tea or coffee empty stomach, never. I'm gonna binge on my breakfast, and I'll catch you guys in some time when I have something else for my day. So now I'm having paneer ka paratha, and this is my lunch time. It's 2 p.m. right now, and I'm having paneer paratha, and this is a very healthy option for your protein, for your carbs, and having methi paneer paratha. And yes, I'm gonna enjoy my paratha now, and I'll catch you guys in some time. Guys, so welcome back. Just give me a second. I'll just mute the TV. Okay. So I am super sleepy because I didn't sleep a lot last night. I just slept for 3 hours because I want to make my routine right again, and because my routine is ruined. It's totally ruined. Okay, so I'm here. So without blabbering, let's get back to the topic. So I'm here to share some tips and tricks with you that you can use to lose weight in a healthy way. So first tip that I gave you in the morning, that was never start your day with tea or coffee on empty stomach. You should never have tea or coffee. That's going to toxify your body. You need nutrients, good nutrients like fruits or nuts in the morning. Your body needs energy, so that's why. And it's going to burn because your metabolism is high in the morning. Second tip, workout. You might have heard it everywhere कि workout करना होता है. Yes, you have to work out. You really need to work out. It's not that you have to go and hit to the gym, or you have to do yoga or something like that, or what's a strict workout करना है. You can also go for a simple walk, or you can include dance if you like in your workout, and or Zumba or something like that. You can make it interesting in your way, the way you like.
Okay, the third tip is which we hear it like everywhere. It is that drink water. Yes, we have heard it everywhere, but still we don't follow it. Drink your water. You should at least have 1 gallon, that is 2 to 3 liters of water per day, 7 to 8 glasses. I am not a person, I'm not a water person. I don't drink much water, but I try to include water in my diet in a very different way. For try to have like coconut water, or I try to have lemon water, because I don't like, I'm sorry, because I don't like simple water. मुझे नहीं पता, I don't feel thirsty, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, छोटी tips and tricks है ये. So what I do is I have these cute bottles with me and tumblers with me, जो मुझे attract करते हैं, and when I feel attracted with them, these bottles and cute tumblers really help you, because they will let you, okay fine, allow, I want to drink from that cute tumbler. So it's like that. And and also you can make your water more interesting, like you can have lemon water, you can have water with some cucumber, mint leaves, ginger. So that's the way you can make water more interesting, and you can enjoy your water. So the next tip is eat every 2 hours. Never skip your meal, because we need energy, and if we eat every 2 hours, you're never gonna feel hungry at all. So even if you're not hungry, eat after 2 hours. I'm not asking you to have a big huge meal. I'm asking you to reduce your portion I'm sorry, what's happening. Okay, I'm asking you to reduce your portion size and make it small, and make it into smaller meals, and eat every 2 hours. So that's really going to help you to be fuller for a long time. Is stay to your staples. That means you don't have to go and eat salads and quinoa and this and that. You can have your normal, if you live in India, you can have the normal Indian ghar ka khana, roti, sabzi, paratha, rice, aloo, you can have it all. If you belong to somewhere else, for example America or somewhere, and your meals contain of mashed potatoes and veggies on the side and so that, you can have all of them. You can have potatoes and everything, but just stay true to your staples and have what you are eating since your childhood, because that's not going to harm you. It's a very big myth that rice, aloo, paratha, ghee is it's gonna harm you. No, ghee is actually very good for your skin. Some people actually have 1 tablespoon of ghee empty stomach for glowing skin and also for reducing fat. So yes, stay to your staples, and it is just a myth that is busted, because लोग कहते हैं आलू नहीं खा सकते, चावल नहीं खा सकते, ये नहीं खा सकते. You can have all your veggies, everything, because our body needs carbs, protein and everything. Paneer, have dal, have your proteins, have your carbs, have your fiber, fats and everything. And this is a very important tip, and it actually works. Just try it out. Next tip is avoid sugar. You have heard it everywhere, but I'm gonna say quit sugar. Quit sugar. I have quitted sugar. I don't have sugar. You have other options instead of sugar. You have jaggery, you have natural fruits and everything. I am not a sugar person. I haven't had sugar since so many years. Okay, I have had बीच में खाया होगा मैंने, but I've never, what particularly I have quitted sugar completely from my diet. And this is actually very true, that sugar is not good for your bones, for your entire health. So yes, quit sugar and avoid it as much avoid it as much as you can. Don't have sugary drinks, don't have sugar in your milk and tea and everything. You can instead have jaggery. That's a healthier option. Tip is that you should have a skip meal. I call it skip meal. You should have a skip meal or a skip day, in which you can have and indulge in your favorite food. And for me, it's sometimes Friday, sometimes Saturday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes it can be a random day of the week when I'm craving something very badly. So yeah, you should always have a skip meal, because that helps you to stay focused. But yeah, come back to your track again. Some people, you know, after having a skip meal, a skip day, they like, you know, यार चलो यार अब हो गया, बहुत अच्छा हेल्दी खा लिया, चलो अब जंक खा लेते हैं. और जंक खा लिया होता है उसके बाद बोलते हैं अब चलो ठीक है नेक्स्ट मंडे स्टार्ट करेंगे. नो, डोंट डू दैट. It's like seriously don't do that, because that's going to break your pattern. So yeah, my next step is going to come like don't break your pattern. If you make a habit, you just need 7 to 21 days and that is it. So yeah, create a habit of workout, diet plans, and yes, my next point comes here. Write it out. We have heard it everywhere. जहाँ पे भी जाओगे, you're gonna hear this out. Write it out, journalize it. Yes, but actually there are so many apps like Health of Me and so many apps like, you know, that help you to track your food and also track your water intake. This app Health if I Me is such a good app. This is not a sponsored video firstly. So I have been using this app since it has been hyped. Like उससे पहले से, not since it has been hyped, since it actually came in. So I am using this app. मैंने ये जब मैंने weight loss किया था, मैंने actually ये app use करती थी so much. Like I was indulged so much in it कि मैं I used to write everything, every bite I had in that app. Now it has another feature where you can track your water intake, and also they have a great diet plans and you can connect to dietitians now, so that is great. So please, you can definitely try it out, and I'll put the link in the description box if you want to try. So I was thinking, you know, to give you some midday meal snack ideas that are very healthy. So you can have some smoothie, you can have like a banana or a mango smoothie, you can have a fruit, you can have yogurt, you can have also have lassi or a chaat, you can also have a glass of juice. I think these are, or you can also binge on some makhanas that are a very healthy option, or some nuts. I think these are the healthy options that you should eat in between your meals, so that you don't starve your body, because you know कितना ज़्यादा गैप हो अगर मील्स के बीच में, तो बहुत ज़्यादा तो बॉडी जो है वो स्टार्व करने लगती है एंड वो फैट कंज्यूम करना शुरू हो जाती है, एंड इट स्टार्ट कंज्यूमिंग फैट एंड इट स्टार्ट लूजिंग muscles from your body, the muscle
time for my dinner, and I'm gonna have a salami and cheese sandwich and one white egg omelette along with it. And this is gonna be my dinner, full of protein and a little bit of carbs and fats too. So yeah, I'm gonna have my dinner and I'm gonna end this vlog here only. This is gonna be maybe the last meal of the day, and if I have something at night, then of course I'm gonna vlog it too.